Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL 3X 2020 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find and select the settings. Now let's scroll and find security, let's tap on it, and here we've got the fingerprint sensor option, so let's enter. And here we've got some fingerprint options, so as you can see we can clear all notifications, we can take a photo or video while being in the camera app, we can go back to the home screen, pick up call or show notification panel. It's really up to you how you want to set it, what do you want to do after tapping on the fingerprint sensor. In order to add the fingerprint, just tap on manage fingerprints. And as you can see now your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock your device with your fingerprint, so let's tap on next. Now we have to set an additional screen lock method. If you have one, no worries, you will have to enter it. If not, then let's choose what kind of screen lock you want to use. So you can choose the pattern, PIN or password. I will pick the pattern, for example. Simply tap on the one you want to use. And now let's draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Now we can decide what kind of notifications we want to show on our lock screen, so we can show all notifications, we can hide sensitive notification content or don't show notifications at all. So let me pick, for example, to hide sensitive notification content, just tap on the option you want to use, make sure that it is marked and tap on done. Now we have to touch the sensor. The sensor is located at the back of our device right here, so let me put my finger on it. And as you can see now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Okay, and as you can see we just added our fingerprint. If you want to, you can add another, just tap here, if not, tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint menu. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, we can rename it if you want. What's more, we can remove it by tapping on this icon. We can add, of course, another one, just tap on add a fingerprint. Here we've got the fingerprint functions, so here we can decide what we want to do after tapping on the fingerprint sensor, sorry. So we can unlock the device, and now this option is active. We can quick launch shortcuts, so we will use our fingerprint to launch relevant shortcuts, and we can unlock apps, but I will stick with those options. So let me get back to the home screen and let's lock our device and check if it is working. Let's lock it, and now I am putting my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. So that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your ALCATEL 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.